In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on Squarespace. We'll start inside the Squarespace editor on the page where you want your email sign up to appear. To place the newsletter form, hover your mouse over the area of the page where you want it and click Add Block. Blocks are the building pieces of a Squarespace page, and this opens a panel with all the available content types you can drop in. If you don't immediately see what you need, no worries. That panel can be searched. In the block search field, type the word new. This is a quick shortcut that narrows the list and brings the newsletter block right to the top. Using search saves time and helps you avoid scrolling through tons of options, especially if your site has a lot of custom content or you're working within a dense layout. Now, click Newsletter. Squarespace will insert a sign up form block that includes a title, a short description, an email field, and a subscribe button. You can drag it to adjust its position in the layout if needed. Think about where a visitor's eye naturally lands on your page. Above the fold or near a compelling call to action usually works best. The newsletter block is designed to collect signups cleanly and consistently, and it follows your site's style settings for fonts and colors. Next, select the pencil icon on the newsletter block to open its editing panel. This is where you control the text and presentation of the block. If you don't see the icon at first, hover over the block. It typically appears in the upper corner. The edit panel gives you a clear place to update copy without affecting the rest of the page. Let's refine the title. Keep it short, specific, and benefit focused so visitors instantly understand why they should subscribe. Aim for something like "Get weekly tips" or "Join our insider list." Avoid jargon and make sure the tone matches the rest of your site. Strong titles reduce friction and boost conversions. Now, adjust the description. This is your chance to set expectations and build trust. Briefly explain what subscribers will receive, how often you'll email them, and the value they can expect. For example, mention tutorials, product updates, or exclusive offers. Keep it concise, friendly, and reassuring. A sentence or two is usually perfect. When you're happy with the copy, apply your changes and save. Give the page a quick preview to confirm spacing, readability, and mobile layout. If needed, you can return to the pencil icon later to fine-tune the text. And that's it. You've added a clear, inviting newsletter block that's ready to start collecting signups.